Hello everybody, today we will learn how to create an Arduino circuit that will randomly make three LEDs blinking in tinkercad. If you don't know how to enter in tinkercad, I'll put a link in the description for my last video that explains how to enter in tinkercad. For our circuit, we need a breadboard, three LEDs, three resistors of 220 ohm, and the Arduino. Before that, we start building the circuit. The entries in the breadboard in the same vertical line are connected to each other. The LEDs, the longest lead is the anode. It means positive. And the other lead is the cathode. It means negative. We will put the LEDs first. And we'll pull the resistor in the same vertical line of the cathode lead, and the other side in the negative line. We'll do the same thing for the other LEDs. And we'll take some wire connectors and we'll put it in the entry of the Arduino. The entries should be successful, and you'll see why in the program. Now we will take a wire connector in the negative line. We put it in the board of Arduino and the GND. If you have other LEDs in this side, your circuit will not work because this negative line is not connected to this negative line. If you want to work, you should do this. Connect this negative line to this negative line. But now we don't need it. Now we will go to the program. Use the text. Erase all this. We will write now void setup and void loop. If you want your code to repeat a lot of times, you write it in void loop. If you want it to repeat once, you write it in void setup. If you will do variables, you can use int or long or bool and other. If you will use int, it should be smaller than 37,000 and bigger than minus 37,000. And it will be a number. If you write it here, it will be a global variable. If you write it here or here, or you do a function void fun or int as your program, it will be a local variable. Okay, you'll start doing the code. Here we write pin mode in output. we do is, here we set to the Arduino that we want the entry 10 output, because you can do it input and other things. We will do a copy and we will change the numbers. There is another technique is with using 4 if you have a lot of entries, but now you have only 3, but I will show you. You write 4, you do a variable in it, we name it I. If you have already do a variable, you can leave it empty. It means you do this. Now we didn't do a variable. I equal 10 because we have 10, 11 and 12. I should be smaller than 13 because we don't want 13 entry, we want only 12. And I plus plus. I plus plus, it means that I equal I plus 1, it's 10. You will see I plus plus, it will be 11, and then it will be 12, and then when it will be 13, you will see this, you will see I smaller than 13, and he will stop there. And now you're right, 10 mode. I, the counter, output. The counter that we write it here, it will be the pin mode. It means 10, 11 and 12 to be out. But now we not write, we will not use 4, we'll use like this. Now we go to the void loop. Right, we'll do a variable, we will name it x equal random Here we set the Arduino that choose a random number, randomly a number between 10 and 13. He can choose 13, but he can choose 10. Example, if we write here 9 and here 11, he will not choose 11, he will choose 10, the maximum, but he will can choose 9. This is why I told you when you are building the circuit to the entries should be successful, because if it wasn't successful, we can't write this line. Now we will write digital write x high. What we do here we set to the Arduino that we want the entry x, it can be 11, 12, 10, we don't know. High, it means the LED will blink. We can write random all this here, but we do a variable, it will be most easiest. Digital, all we know, digital and analog. Digital is 0 1 0 1 0 1. Analog is 0.1 0.5, and this. Here is high means 1 to the LED 10. Now delay, it's not capital. Delay 1000. 1000 is with milliseconds. It means 1 second. If you write 1, the Arduino will count at 1 millisecond, and you will not see the blink. Here we say to the Arduino, stop. Stop for 1000 milliseconds. You will do the same thing here. Copy. One is like delay. If if we didn't put here delay, we will see the LED blinking, and we will not see it when he will be low. And if we don't put it here, we will not see it with high. Now we can. Oh, here we write pin mode. It's pin mode. Now, like you see, it's random. Now, blue, green, red. But if one come and put this, we put it here. It will not work for two reasons. The first reason is that it will be a local variable. We cannot know it. He will say, "What is? I don't know what is this." But okay, you will say you can do this, and then we will go to the second reasons. We put it in void setup. It means that you will choose it once, and it will be the same thing. It will be blue, 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 or green, 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 red, 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 red. And if we all put this in the setup, it will be a one blink. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.